Hello everyone, this is Alex at Vending Machine Support. I want to make a quick video showing this issue that I've actually come across a few times when I'm helping customers with their machines, and that's actually when they've gone in to make any sort of adjustment on the motors, change the timing cam, etc. They're not putting the motor cover back on correctly, and that's causing the evaporator coil to freeze over. So basically, when they're closing the door, because it's not put on properly, we're sucking air from the outside into the machine, not satisfying the thermostat, and then we ISO the evaporator coil. So I wanted to show you how to put these on correctly in a way that you can check to make sure you've got it on correctly. This is a motor cover for a Dixie Narco E-Series drink vending machine. It's covering up the vend motors where if you're making any adjustments to the motors or fixing anything, you have to take this cover off. Now to get the cover off, there are two hoops at the top you can put your fingers in. You're just going to lift up, and basically you're just bending the metal up and pulling it loose. Now it comes exposing the motors. Now, there's hooks at the top and there's a little hook at the bottom that latches underneath, and the top parts latch over the top part of the chassis. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this on incorrectly and show you what I find. I can push in and I can't get the bottom to go in any further, but if I pull back on it, it is actually moving. So this lets me know that this is not installed correctly. We no longer have a good line here. So actually this bottom is sticking out, so when we close the door, it's not sealing up tight enough. What happens here is because this is not straight, when you close the main door, you're leaving a gap where air can get into the machine. So when you're putting these covers on, make sure you latch the bottom first. The way you test it is if you can grab the bottom of the cover and pull back and it lifts up like that, it's not in correctly. To put it on correctly, you're gonna put the bottom in, latch it underneath, lift up, get it on, and then bump the bottom and make sure you got it pushed in all the way, then grab the bottom and pull back to you. Here, it's not moving, so I know that this is sealed on nice and tight, so when we close the door, we're gonna get a good tight seal, not pulling any outside air in. So I just wanted to share that with new vendors or seasoned vendors alike. I've been caught out a couple of times with this as well, but I wanted to share that with you. Now, if you found this video useful, I appreciate if you could like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments or ideas of videos that you would like to see, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.